Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to touch base and show you something really cool that I've been working on for the past few months. It's called ActionSeps DTX Live. It's for DTF and DTG separations in which you can see your separations live as you work. So let me go ahead and switch my camera view and show you. There's two separate ways you can work. It's a Photoshop plugin and a web app. It's one system, but you get access to both of them. Let me go ahead and switch over to my desktop. And I'm sure a lot of you probably are interested in the web app version, no subscription to Photoshop or anything like that to use this. But we'll take this graphic here, we'll separate it, and I'll just kind of demonstrate it real quick. This image does have some extra black in it I want to get rid of, so we'll go ahead and crop that down. Let's make sure that we're not cropping too much out of this. We'll go ahead and we'll confirm crop. That looks good to me. And let's say we want this to be no wider than 12 inches. So we'll go ahead and hit apply size. We're going to come down here to our shirt color. We'll select the color we want to knock out of this color, or excuse me, out of the t-shirt. It's going on a black shirt, so we want to remove black. And we'll toggle on our shirt color preview. We'll click Start ActionSeps DTX Live. We'll enable our halftones. And you can see that the image already is separated. Let's say instead of 30 LPI, you wanted to do 25 LPI. There we go, it updated live. We got a little bit of a split view here so we can see what's dropping off. Let me click fit the view. We're going to adjust our levels a little bit, bring back some more of this graphic, add a little bit more of it in there, and that looks fantastic. We have a mask view as well. I'm going to take a look at some of the dots up here. We have a cleanup tool, so if we want to get rid of some of these tiny little dots up here, let me increase the intensity on this just a little bit. There we go. We got rid of some of those tiny little dots. Let's do fit the view, do our split view. With the split view, you can turn your t-shirt color on and off, see what it's looking like. I'm going to turn that back on. I'm happy with how this separation looks. We're going to click Apply Seps, and then we're going to click Export PNG. You do have the option to create an underbase, which we'll cover in another video, but let's export this separation real quick. Again, this is all in real time. I'm doing no edits here. Let me go down to downloads. There we go. There is our separation file. All right, let's go over to the Photoshop version here. You can do black color or light shirts, white shirts with both plugins, the web app and the Photoshop app. So we'll do a color one this time. For height, let's make this one 15 inches. The interface is the same between the two. And then our knockout color, we want to select this pink because we want to remove that. So we're going to click Start ActionSeps DTX Live. And it's going to do all the heavy lifting. And on this particular graphic, let's zoom in here. We also have the mask preview here as well as a separation. Let's leave it on mask this time. And we'll make this one 25 LPI just so you can see the difference. Now our dots are a little bit bigger. We'll click on separation. You can toggle back and forth between your original image and your separation. And that looks pretty good to me. We can maybe tweak the levels just a little bit, get some more of our graphic back. And then we'll take a look at our mask up at the top here and get rid of any tiny little dots. We already have the dot cleanup applied because I was using this not that long ago, so it kept my settings. But let me reduce this all the way down, get rid of all the dot cleanup here, and just show you. See, now we have all these tiny little dots. It just won't transfer. So we're going to bump this up a little bit. There we go. Let's do it even more. Let's bump it up to 2. There we go. Got rid of all those tiny little dots. There's our separation. We could turn our shirt color off and see the separation itself. Now let's click Apply Seps. Let's say we want to apply an underbase to this one. We're going to turn underbase on. It's placing it on top just so we can see, get a preview of it. I'm going to choke this by 1 pixel. So that way we can see where our underbase will sit underneath our graphic. Because if it's under it, you're not going to be able to really visually tell. So there's our 1 pixel choke for our white base. We're going to click Apply Underbase. So now it's set that to a layer. For the underbase, we have our separation, but also for the underbase, we have a mask layer, or mask channel, excuse me, and then a white base spot color. And this separation is all done. If I want to do another, we'll just click Start Over. You'd save your file out. Just because this is a demo, I'm just going to close it. But that is ActionSeps DTX Live in a nutshell. I'm going to leave a link down in the description where you can go and sign up on my email list to get notification of when it launches, which I'm estimating, I'm going to say this Friday. It's going to be this Friday. Sign up to the email list before I make it public and start running ads and stuff like that. I'm strictly going to social media for all this stuff. So if you want to be, if you want to get early access to this, check the link out down below, enter your email, and we'll see you on release date. Let me know if you have any questions as well down in the comments. We'll see you later.